Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to install a Smarttube next on Android TV. So let's start. So the step one is open Google Play Store on your device and search a downloader app by FT News. And step 2, install the downloader app like this one. Step 3, open it and enable to storage and permissions. So click on allow, and here you need to activate it, the browser option in the downloader app. To do that, you have to install a plugin. So enter browser and click on go like this one. So it will download and then open an installation window. So click on install. So click on done, and now you can browse through the web pages. Okay, you can delete it now. So before installing the third-party application or APK, we must allow security settings. So go to the settings, okay, like this one, and then choose the device preferences, and 9 select the security restrictions here. Click on unknown sources like this picture shows, and here you will see the downloader app icon. Click on enable toggle. So here to enable like this blue button, and go back to open downloader app and select browser option or go home. Then enter this official URL and then click go. This is the official URL, okay, smarttubenext.com. And now you can see our homepage. Scroll down until you see the downloader links, and then beta stable. These are official download links from GitHub. So it will start downloading your device storage and wait until it shows installation window. Install Smart Next on your Android TV box like this one. Click on open, and now you can see the profile icon. Click on sign in to your Google account. Now you have all the descriptions, search history, and personal recommendation. So that's how you can do it, guys. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumb up to this video.